Hi everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today, we tackle a common frustration. You're trying to connect to your Raspberry Pi using VNC. Then, you see that dreaded message, timed out waiting for a response from the host computer. It's annoying. But don't worry. We'll fix it together. Let's dive into some solutions. First, check your network. This is crucial. Is your Raspberry Pi actually connected to the internet or your local network? Can your computer even see the Pi? Try pinging your Pi's IP address from your VNC viewer computer. Open a command prompt or terminal. Type ping your _Pi_IP_ address. If you get no response, your network connection is the problem. Ensure your Wi-Fi is on and connected. Check your Ethernet cable if you are using one. A loose cable can cause issues. Sometimes, the Pi simply isn't getting an IP address. You might need to reboot your router. Or restart the Pi itself. Next, verify the VNC server status on your Raspberry Pi. The VNC server might not be running. Connect to your Pi directly with a monitor and keyboard. Or use SSH if you can. Once logged in, type sudo systemctl status vengserver at 1.service. Replace at 1 with your display number if it's different. Look for active, running. If it's not running, start it. Use sudo systemctl start vengserver at 1.service. You might also want to enable it to start on boot. Use sudo systemctl enable vengserver at 1.service. This prevents future timeouts from the server being off. Consider your firewall. Sometimes, the Pi's firewall blocks VNC connections. If you have an uncomplicated firewall installed, check its status. Type sudo of status. If it's active, you need to allow VNC traffic. The default VNC port is 5900 or 5901. Add a rule. Sudo of allow 5901. Then, sudo of reload. This opens the necessary port. Double-check the IP address and port. Are you using the correct IP address for your Raspberry Pi? IP addresses can change if your router assigns them dynamically. This is DHCP. It's often better to set a static IP address for your Pi. This way, its address never changes. You can find your Pi's current IP by typing hostname on the Pi. Also, ensure you are connecting to the correct VNC port. The default is usually one which translates to port 5901. If you configured your VNC server differently, adjust the port in your VNC viewer. Review VNC server configuration. Sometimes, a corrupt or incorrect VNC server configuration file can cause problems. If you've recently changed settings, revert them. Or try creating a new VNC user profile. This can often resolve underlying issues. Ensure the resolution settings are not too high for your network. Password issues are rare for timeouts but worth checking. While a wrong password usually gives a different error, ensure you are using the correct VNC password. Reset it if needed using VNCPassword. Finally, the classic IT solution. Reboot everything. Reboot your Raspberry Pi. Reboot your VNC viewer computer. Reboot your router. A fresh start can often clear up temporary glitches. This simple step solves many problems. Don't underestimate its power. That's it for today. I hope these tips help you fix your Raspberry Pi VNC timeout issue. If this video was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss anything new. Leave a comment below if you have any other solutions or questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.